This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Find My iPhone. So if you go to this under Find My iPhone, it's going to be grayed out. This is typically because you have the stolen device ID on. So what we want to go back under the main settings menu right here. So you can see your name on the top, scroll on down, and just go to where it says Face ID and passcode. And then just type in your passcode real quick. So let's type this in. Okay, so there's my passcode. Now scroll on down under this menu and look for this option for stolen device protection. Okay, this adds another layer of security. Let's go ahead and just turn this off. Face ID, you got me. Okay, now we should be able to just go back. Go up to the top, choose your name, Find My. Then we go up here, and now we have the option to turn this off. So it shouldn't be grayed out anymore. For some reason there was an error. So we should be, oh, it looks like it just turned off right there. So I'm just going to restart my iPhone and maybe I should be able to connect to it. Looks like my internet actually just went out from my Wi-Fi, so maybe that's the reason. So just go ahead and check this out and you should be able to turn it off. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.